Okay, here's another video showing more about the Bekonix controller using LEDs. Now we've got two rings, and this is more about wiring. What we're doing here is connecting this itsy bitsy, which has three wires coming out of it: the data wire, the ground wire, which is black, and the red wire, which is red, which is voltage. And then we have three more wires going from these to these different LED displays, rings. And you'll have to notice that you have to pay attention to how the wiring is. N, ground, and voltage, called 5V in this case, I think. That's the way it works. If I tap one of these displays, you'll see that we've got LEDs playing by Bluetooth from Bekonix app. Now I've got this end program right here, which turns off the LEDs. When I hit play on end, it turns off the LEDs. You'll notice that this is battery operated. This is called a breadboard. This is a smaller breadboard. These are LED matrix that are rings, also called Neopixels, RGB LED. And this wiring is not that complicated. It's just three different colors, but they have to go to the correct plugs: ground, voltage, and data in, D-I-N, so that the itsy bitsy sends power, voltage, and signal to each ring. There will be more on this. These are battery packs which can power the itsy bitsy by way of a plug, USB plug that goes into the board, or we can use this battery with this backpack that I soldered on to the itsy bitsy. There will be more on this later.